What is up? It's your boy here bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we got an installation. So a really big shout out to Odero. Is that how you say it? Odro? I don't know how to say the name, but they sent out some super sick side steps that we're going to be installing today in our first ever episode of Mod Monday. So if you missed my last video, I mentioned it. Every Monday for the foreseeable future, we will have some type of modification addition to this truck because we got to get the ball rolling on the modification. So it's been a while since we've actually done some mods. Without further ado, let's get right into the install. Of course, first you got to set up shop. Of course I locked it. Why wouldn't I have locked it? This one time when I needed to look cool. If you are interested in these will be linked down below. You guys are going to have an exclusive discount code for using my code. This company's supporting me, and I would like to support those who support me. So take a look. If you're in the market for some new side steps, consider these. As you can see, it has a texture to it that feels very grippy, which makes me feel confident. This is what they look like up close. Of course, they have the company name engraved in them, which is super sick. I like that very much. What else comes in the box? This thing. I'm not sure what this is. So they're brackets. So driver front, passenger front. Driver rear, passenger center. Okay, wait. Yeah, that's right. Driver center. Fair enough. Obviously, after the brackets, you get your hardware. You got bag A and you got bag B. Do I know the difference? Not yet. It's all packaged very nice. Looks very professional. I definitely recommend it. Super cool. Whenever a company has their phone number right there, right where you can see it, it's usually a good sign. They're not trying to hide from you. Alrighty, so right here, it goes over the tools that are required. You need a 16 millimeter and a 13 millimeter socket, a 16 millimeter wrench, ratchet, and a torque wrench. Alright, so step one, you got to locate 3 mounting positions on each side of the inner rocker panel. 1, 2, and the last one's all the way down yonder. Remove the factory plugs or hex bolts. Okay, so we did step 1, locate. Number 2, remove. Number 2, attach the bracket to the rear rocker panel and secure with 2 M8 hex bolts. Repeat the install. All brackets do not fully tighten. Okay, so it makes sense not to fully tighten just so that you don't have to move it and then have to loosen it. Makes sense? Okay, so that's what we'll do now. This is what it looks like. So this goes that way and this sticks out this way. Alrighty, so step 2 is already done. I like this little diagram so you know what's going on. As you can see, the brackets face that way on the front, and then on the back they both face this way. On to step 3. Lift and attach the step bar to brackets. Secure the step bar on the brackets with M10 hex bolts and hex nuts. Okay, understood. Repeat and okay, do not fully tighten. Understood. Let's be honest, guys. I am not the most talented person. We know this, right? We understand, and we watch them for fun, okay? Just for the funny times. So if I'm able to do this alone, again, it's not recommended to do it alone, but if I can, then you definitely can too. I'm not saying you should. If you can get help, definitely get help. I always say, whenever I have children, I'll show them my YouTube videos to show them how far their father has come. I think I'm gonna pass up on this video. If you're doing this by yourself, this is how I would recommend doing it. Put this up on your legs, have a bolt in the hand. Resting on your knees, put the bolt through there. Now you're all good to go. Now you can, oh no. Voila. Okay, it's not done. It's on there, hand tight. We just need to, finalize everything. So, as of right now, it actually looks very, very nice. This is exactly the look I was looking for. They kind of look like rock sliders, but they're not. These are definitely not rock sliders. Do not use them as that, as they are only side steps. Remember that. It's on there in my idea of perfect. Now, I'm about to record myself for the first time ever trying to stand on these. Now, if I fall, it's no problem. If Sandy falls, there's a problem. We're about to see if I can actually stand on these. That was not good. This is why we test things. I have to go a little bit tighter on the bolts. Okay. Let's try the back seat now. Alrighty, so it is a brand new day. I've actually been testing out the door steps for like two days now. Yeah, 2 days. They're awesome. I love them. It actually rained out yesterday, so we can test these out in the rain, which is something that I'm actually happy about, so that you guys can see what it's actually like. What do you guys think? I think it looks absolutely awesome. A friend of mine saw the side steps and literally gave me the best compliment that he could have. They look rugged. Very, very true. And that's what I wanted, and that's what I got. I didn't even have to ask him. I said, hey. He said, hey, I like the new side step. They look very rugged. I love it. Very nice, very aggressive, very rugged. They look awesome, and they're very, very functional. That was my main thing. They have to look good and they have to work well. Again, if you're interested in them, you can go into the link. There is going to be a discount code, so support the people that support me. So yeah, that's gonna pretty much wrap up today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. Again, this is our very first episode of Mod Monday, so if you're interested, next week I guess we can do something where I give you guys little hints, right? Little bits of hints. We're going darker. Does that make sense? Nonetheless, it's been your boy. I'm out like an audio. See you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace. Yo, take a look at that. What do you guys think? I literally am so excited. I'm so happy. I cannot wait for you guys to see what this truck turns out to. Such a beautiful truck.